Guys, I'm so sorry. Jesus, please, I'm back again. With Max.
With the hair that want to trim.
With my hair that want to trim. Guys, I forgot to start the vlog. Listen. Plus, because I'm hungry too, it's a bit more difficult to take up a phone and film a vlog. Because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. What's new? So today we are mourning. Where am I, Max? I have on my black because I'm mourning a lot of
Oh, yeah, more, my friend.
Somebody-
So, yeah, more, I never know this.
somebody
Oh
from
jeez, I'm gonna go up and see me. I took my JN card. I got a text in church that says somebody has sent money to you. Then the money transfer me. You know, that's the money for me.
The Bible says must share Max in all that you have. Why? The deliverer is he.
Mighty deliverer. Yes, sir. I don't know who sent this money, but you want out of the money. Mighty deliverer. I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna share, okay? I'm going to share.
Guys, it's soon come back. We just arrived on the plaza. We need to see her. Intermission. Jesus. Max.
So I have a jacket today.
I took it off, but I feel jacketish today, guys. So I have my jacket. I'll be posting on my Instagram. I'll link it in the description below. So, well, it didn't have things. Max is lighting though. Look at
Can I
this.
tell you that you look nice out of that and the ear that I trim. When don't we trim him? Why nobody's not saying honest vlogs that let Maxine trim him? Nobody not taught this, so that is why I feel comfortable. Look on him here. This is good to them.
Guys, I know it's too bad. I'm having exam
It's a
on
little
them,
bad
man.
at visiting.
And you forgot all it. Bonnet and you forgot.
Today?
Come in to check my.
No money. If you check if me get who send the J and money. You need to find them.
Stress out.
Right out.
I'm going to take a picture of me too.
I will. I will.
You will?
Okay, King will. I will.
So we're gonna
Okay!
guys, we'll soon come back again. Our next intermission break again. So guys, I'm gonna be this lighting though. Ooh. So I'm gonna be filling some water for Max. Here she is. Max, can get the money, please. Max, this is a lot of 500. Am I have change for this?
Sure. I don't do small change.
Yeah, pack up. Guys, you pack it up and leave. Yeah, pack it up. Max, pack it up. Guys.
Today is a happy Sabbath.
I like me really happy Sabbath. No, Max. Max, I soon come back.
Alright.
Guys, so my full water. Let's see. Yeah, oh yeah. Guys, I'm putting my whole on there. Okay. Guys, I'm putting a video while I go in the water place because it is a bit not necessarily crowded, but Max, put the water at the back.
Yes, baby.
It's a bit awkward, but
My shoes are you can
let me pick the camera, hold on. But hold on, I'm gonna get a change. But I videoed when I was going in. But yes guys, Max, you pack over this or you pack over this? You pack over this?
Where?
Over there.
Over there, where?
You look really bad. Jesus, my head look really bad.
You
It's lighting though. Yeah, I'm coming tomorrow after school. I probably get a line up. I'm not sure yet. Max, my skin looks so good on camera. Oh my gosh.
Your skin look good?
Guys, you know me not look.
I don't like them.
I'm not to the fight out here. I'm not to the fight out
I
there,
don't like
Max.
them about things they were talk. I'm not bad not giving no compliments. You know what I like?
Come here, I like the face in my teeth though.
Why is this person behind me? You don't see my reverse light, sir? Or miss? Thank you. Is that woman down?
Yeah.
problem. Them cause problem on the
So
road.
wait a minute, woman, a problem
And them cause the problem on the road. Not tell you between me.
between us guys.
Come and drive and them cause the problem on the road. You have a teacher still at the brake light and she'll drive. She must have had this spot very often.
Yeah, my stress out.
Stress right out. Are we seeing Donovan?
Ministry.
You know,
Hey,
some
I
Ghana
don't
friend
want
had them teeth in phone.
I don't want
Ghana
to speak.
friend had them teeth in phone. Which of them? No,
All
why
of,
are you so close to me, sir?
all of the above.
Come. Come, I see you.
You sure?
No, this man here. Check, make him not wait, no? Make him not wait. Prayer pronounce.
The man just preach a while ago and touching a lot of topics.
No, the man? He was
Yeah.
very good, trust
Oh,
me.
and it's like him never feel boring, never feel.
See you? I didn't see you. I was looking over there.
I know.
So, girl, I see man. I want to her belly too out.
No.
And I hear type.
No. 18 I look full though.
I think when I can't get to go from a car to find out who's in my chain.
Now go home, take your address.
No, you know, I do that tomorrow. Come in, I want to share it. So I feel like I have to check out my car tomorrow. I say, who send me? Then I have to check one text. Come on. No, I thought this was on the air, but one pair. I wonder if it's a little lady at school. Usually she sends me.
I was going to run it in that CD line though.
You don't have to. I can go elsewhere. Just go there.
Okay.
Because we're going to get some stuff. Not to be sad, but
Tomorrow. Guys, so we're on the road, but Max has a story to tell you. I will look at the 18 and it happened.
No, it never happened at the ATM. We're parked outside, we're actually using the ATM. Anyway, she brings up her step outside the workplace because I can show her with Sutherland. So you know, she brings up her body onto the back of the car. So apparently the guy was waiting on her and just in the back. Him come out, now she walk off, him put she back. One more time public affection start carrying on. I'm like,
You know, we have a feel like we are choosing though.
and him hug her up and him hug her up and him hug up and him go on with them.
Outside? I want to go?
Yeah, but because they're on the other side from you. I mean, the machine, I give some money and I said, no, I'm going to keep out this. Yes, sir.
You mean I look
And
the
then she
blessed
go back in the passenger seat, sit down, and go to the driver's seat.
And then I'm drive off. Alpha. Hi, Alpha.
That's the sister school I sent you, sir.
St. Hughes. Yeah.
Jay always tell me. Here, pastor, I show shades for
But
your
now
church.
look, Pastor.
How much KC people from church and all?
3.
Pastor used to get Calabar, rubber lock to the casket.
You know, he never took me with
So what am I talking about Calabar, sir?
because I guess
No,
it's
me
a
not laugh.
on the lawn. Oh my God. See them
So,
here?
yeah.
Oh my God.
Them people are married now in Corona time.
Even them
So
determined.
the
though.
police are going to come with them pitch patch work, paint work, pitch patch
Just
paint
one.
work.
Max can go back, come up a bench, come on, they come just come take a look.
I'm not going to take a look now, go over there and buy. When I see if you go over there and take a look, I'm going to buy.
We can always go over there and take a look with you now.
I never promised me a holiday. I
Go blur that name there.
promised me a holiday. Yes, sir.
Guys, it's a chill afternoon. It's always
Someone
chill.
put on my bread.
Yeah. Guys, Max do her brain and I think she do her hair. She wash it
No, I
herself.
went to the shampoo. The hairdresser shampoo my hair.
Oh, when you say the shampoo, I thought you did it.
Oh, I mean, the things I'm house myself. See, I don't know, something I can't do something. But as an hairdresser, I got my toe polished too.
They're in gold.
Yes. So
Wow.
I'm going to do my hair and I'm going to braid my hair Monday. So I just shampoo yesterday. So Nandy's going to see me, man.
Oh, Nandi. Hi, Nandi.
I do the way for her.
Take that Nandi's location. You can go or see Nandi.
Central Plaza, I don't know my shop number, but yeah.
Central Plaza. She's a really good hairdresser. Hit her up. Yeah. Nandi.
I'm going to Monday. Let him here. That's gonna.
So you can't just turn, you just turn go back camp. I would just go up there, go just drive away. Hello, Max, at stoplight. No.
See, man, how much you say I know? You want gas? You want gas? You want go for the Benz place. You want to go camp? What else you want to go? Right on this come here, can go all of them next week Saturday. Yeah, but just all carry.
Carry them and looking at the door.
So what them want to get them window up. Yeah, but we reach it, so just set up the window upon there.
Them block out the entrance there. See that?
Yeah, because that's the main entrance up there. Yeah.
Oh my god, can't be going to things though. I got things camp. Up park camp.
Yes, so the married people that may be able to see my like gold, it's gold and blue, gold, blue and white. Huh?
Guys, I don't know if you can see them. I'm trying to focus the camera. I'm going to do the back camera. But there they are. Oh, that's all I got. There they are. Mom, full looks so dark. But yes. Oh, that's all. Okay. Ooh, there's the lighting though. My skin look like I wash it off and have some soap and some.
You can be in Florida water.
Can I tell you?
That's every time it's out to change. So, moment, the cat cannot be done by different water. So, I look at going to the bride.
Just the married. They have pressing matters like that.
Them two boys. Them careful.
Oh, yeah.
So, them big what? Them are because of the bridal party?
You know, most of them. He's one next of them. I want to show you just married.
Sure, yeah,
but
yeah, no, them for sure.
But they turned up.
Let's see, man.
That road.
Oh my god. What's the name? No, Outer Ring Drive that.
I'm not sure. The one with
Bustamante Hospital
yeah.
is on. I think Outer Ring.
They just want to go by Legion office, but they just want to go up the stairs all day. They can't matter.
About Legion?
Office, yeah.
Okay, right.
Because we just want to see how it look from up at the top, like, you know?
You want the up at the top perspective.
Yeah. But mighty too long.
Yeah, man.
You know some stress out? What's up with this? 470.
No, 13470.
Not bad. Max. So where's that man now?
How many minutes left for them to go?
Guys, so it's night time. Or rather, it's evening time. Late evening. So it's about done. Nobody can come judge me. You understand? Come on, so take up snacks though. The lighting affect my phone. Stress out. Gospel music pumping and the place is on fire.
What are you looking for?
I know what banana chips, huh?
Good enough pressure?
You feel?
Yes, sir. I bought there and look at the eat it, sir.
So you give it away? Guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I forgot to end out this vlog, so just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all social media platforms and be sure to keep that post notification bell turned on to stay up to date as to when I upload here on King Will. Guys, you know I love you. I love you from the get-go, and it's all great things and positive things ahead to come in the future. Just stay tuned. I'm ready when you're ready. Come ready. It's King Will Squad. Guys, stay blessed, stay safe until my next upload. Bye guys.